So I want to take its temperature here and see what's going on when you say the production slowed. That's good. Now the first reading that I took is 12 degrees Fahrenheit, which is fine. It's a little high, but it should work. But you notice with an infrared thermometer, the temperature on the surface starts creeping up immediately once the warm air hits it. So you got to be very careful using one of those things.
Continue to dispense water and
Yeah. The temperatures are kind of on the borderline in this box. You know, it won't make ice unless it's down below 16, and it's 15 or 14. It ought to be about 5 or lower. Now I'm checking the bottom freezer temperatures, and they are maybe 5 to 10 degrees high too. So it's not quite where it ought to be. Of course, the temperature that's shown here on the display is the set point. It's not what the unit is actually achieving. Well, freezer temperature is not where it ought to be. See, the way these things work, Si, the air from the freezer comes up to that little cave.
okay.
And it's got to be really cold for that ice maker to work. And if the air coming up there is not cold enough, the ice maker slows down and stops, which is kind of what you experienced, right?
Yeah.
It slowly stopped. I'm going to check the condenser and see if we can get a look-see. Maybe there's some dog hair here. Of course, I observed, and I knew anyway, that this regular customer has Goldens there. So sometimes the simplest fix will take care of troublesome problems. These kick plates can really be a nuisance sometimes. Sometimes they're screwed, but usually it's spring clips. Oh yeah. You got a vacuum?
Yeah.
Now, can we pull this thing out? That's going to be a trip. It sure looks like things clogged up with dog hair. So I proceeded to vacuum it out carefully, and that was the solution to the problem. Okay.